Hello, this is Shrink Virginia, and today I'm going to talk about decisions, the decision-making process. Sometimes we compare pros and cons and they seem to break even and we can't make up our minds. Sometimes others make decisions on us either because they have the power to do so or because we give them that power by trusting them more than we trust ourselves. And sometimes we are the agents who exercise our own volition of making a decision. Within our own decision-making process, we have two kinds. The left side of the brain, the analytical mind, that compares facts and the information that it has at the moment, and the right side of the brain. When that kind of decision happens, it's almost like we don't make it. It happens within us, almost by grace. Expressions like follow your heart or listen to your gut are associated with that kind of decision-making process. And it's the accumulation of every experience that you ever had, every thought, every emotion, every word in treatment and beyond. All that information that can't possibly fit in your conscious mind builds up in your unconscious mind and finally meets with your conscious mind and achieves unity. So when you have body, mind, and spirit aligned, usually what happens is that you meet an outside opportunity to exercise that decision. And when you achieve that place, you couldn't do it any different even if you tried. When you reach that place, there's no way back.